Hi guys, I'm going to be doing a beauty look using Demure mineral makeup products. It's going to be super cute, so let's get started. I always like to start with a fresh, clean face. You can use any product you want. I personally like Deluvia's Hydra Skin Turbo Cream. It's super moisturizing and it's great for your skin, which is a huge plus. First, we have the mineral foundation. A little goes a long way because there are no fillers in this stuff, which is awesome. It also lasts super long and the coverage is amazing. I've got the medium warm color and I'll be applying it using my Kabuki brush. Just put some powder in the cap, swirl the brush around, and then tap the brush on your hand to really set the powder in. This brush will give you a super natural application, which you definitely want when using mineral makeup. The foundation goes on super light and isn't harmful to my skin, which is great. It's good to start with a small amount and add more layers depending on the amount of coverage you want. Another perk is this stuff is water resistant, which is great for me because I'm very active, but my makeup will actually stay on throughout the whole day. Next, we're going to be using the concealer. This is good for under eye circles or any other areas on your face you want to add a little more coverage to. You can apply this with a small shadow brush or even your finger. Now I'm going to do blush. There are so many great options of shades. I'm using the hint of pink. This is just personally one of my favorites. Now I'm going to do a little bit of contour on my face using another shade of blush called Go Bronze. This works really well to add a little extra pop to your cheekbones and your jaw area. Next, I'm going to apply the mineral finishing powder all over my face just to really lock in the look. I'm using the shade Tan. This really covers up all the lines and the pores I'm trying to minimize. And guys, I cannot stress enough how light this makeup is and it feels so clean on my skin. It's so much better than your regular liquid foundations that leave your skin feeling cakey and gross. Another great thing about the finishing powder is if you overdo anything like blush, this powder is great to just blend it all in. Now for my personal favorite part, eyebrows. I live for a good snatched eyebrow. I actually use the black liner eyeshadow and it works so well for me. It's pure minerals blended with a super strong mineral pigment that gives my eyebrows the exact shape I'm going for. All right, time for some eyeshadow. I'm going to be using these three amazing shades. They are so pretty and vibrant. I'm going to start with the hot pink shade, which I'll apply to my lid and crease. Then I'm going to put the Spring Fever shade on my lid just to add a little bit of shimmer. And finally, I'm going to use the Snowflake shade in my tear duct area just to add a little extra pop. Next, I'm going to create a nice, simple eyeliner look using the Brownstone Eyeshadow shade. Something super amazing about the shadows is they all double up as great liquid liners if you add a little bit of water to them, which is so convenient. Also, I always highlight under my eyebrows. It just really completes the look and makes my brows pop. For this, I'm using the Naked Glow eyeshadow. This color also works as a great highlight for my face, so I like to apply some to my nose and my cheeks. Next, I'm going to complete my eye look by adding mascara. This mascara is so good and it really adds volume to my lashes. I absolutely love it. Lastly, to finish my look, I'm using the White Diamond Lip Gloss, which is amazing. Oh my God, so pretty, and it goes with every look. I use it all the time. So there you go, that's my look.